Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in Yes Business Tower, located in Barsha 1. At 775 square foot, this unit is offered as fitted finish and is situated on a mid-floor. The office is finished to a high standard, well laid out and ready for use immediately, with attached private pantry and washroom. Visitor on-street parking available, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.